before we leave today, let's get a room tour of this room, shall we? Start off with the bathroom. It looks different here than in the United States. Nice shower. The rain shower. Look at all the mirrors, and there's me glistening from that sun. Different things. By the way, don't drink that tap water. It's not safe. What do we got here? That's nothing. Unless you put stuff in there. And in here, nice robes. If you're HOH, nice coffee machine. What do we have here? Speaking of safe, that's the safe. A nice fridge down there with recycle bins. What's in here? More clothes. Want to get fancy. Nice beds. A nice relaxing table. And the outdoor view. As you can tell, it's getting windy. I'll be leaving here just in time for that storm to come. Tropical storm Aaron, or should I say Hurricane Aaron? Aaron, you broke it! Yeah, and we have TV. Let's go out here. Ain't no one's gonna go try to climb up there. Yeah. What the fog? Looks like it's raining. And there's a video right here.